Okay. All right, tell us a little bit about, you know, like, what inspires you? You an entrepreneur, man, doing your thing. What inspires you?
Oh, well, they taught me well in here. It's a family business.
Okay.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
They taught me well, you know, just the cooking and doing it the right way.
Right.
Seeing the people come to here enjoying the food, it makes me feel good.
Right.
Yeah.
Nah, that's nice. How you doing?
There ain't too many black soul food restaurants doing it the right way. We do it the right way. Everything homemade.
Right.
Down to the barbecue sauce.
You know, I'm gonna go on a limb and say there ain't too many soul food restaurants, you know. And when you say doing it the right way,
everything homemade.
Yes, homemade. I'm gonna get y'all got baked turkey wings today? I'm gonna get the baked turkey wings and macaroni and cheese. I gotta do that, man. And some type of greens.
I got collard greens, cabbage, and string beans.
You got collard greens. Which one would you choose? Because I love them all.
I eat them all, but I'm a cabbage man myself. But the collard greens, you can't go wrong.
Can I mix the cabbage and I'm gonna mix the cabbage and the collard greens then. Yes. And I'll get a drink with it too. I'm gonna get something like a Sprite. Choices? I'll take a bottle. Since I just did my 3 miles this morning. This is nice, yo. Used to be across this. Oh, right here. Okay.
That's up at the light. The gas station.
Still in Vauxhall, right?
Yeah.
That's like 5 minutes. Thank you very much. Is this a regular Sprite?
Yeah.
Oh, it looks diet. Wow. Okay. Wow. Thank you. Here we go, y'all. Look. We're at Mama's Barbecue 2.
We're about to go in, y'all. Check it out. Got the cornbread right there. Let's check this out. All right. They had a discount today. Let's open it up. Ooh, that's looking good so far, y'all. I got the baked turkey wings, which are nice. See the steam coming off of that?
No. Could I have 2 white sandwiches with 2 orders of fries?
We here at Mama's Barbecue 2 in Vauxhall off of Springfield Avenue, man. Look, I got it right here before me. Spoke to the owner before I got my food and he said they do it, you know, it's all homemade. It's all homemade here. So let's first of all, see that stringy is still steamy. Macaroni and cheese. I love it when they put the different types of cheeses in. You can taste the mild and the sharp. I like that. I don't like it just mild. I just definitely don't like no macaroni and cheese with just sharp in it. This is delicious, y'all. This is baked macaroni and cheese right there. See the steam? All right, 2 thumbs up there. I don't need to add no salt, but I'm definitely gonna get some hot sauce for these wings. Y'all give me 1 sec.
Look what I got, y'all. I got hot sauce. Got some hot sauce. All right, let's get back to it.
So let's put some of this hot sauce, y'all. Put that on the turkey wings. I'm gonna put a little on the macaroni and cheese too. Check it out. Check it out. I just love hot sauce on my food. It did not need any seasoning. It's seasoned to perfection. The brother said the greens are homemade. He wasn't lying. I got some cabbage mixed in here. Look at that. I don't need to put any salt. It's seasoned to perfection.
Nice, juicy collards and cabbage. Cabbage. And now, the turkey wings.
Check this out, y'all. Check this out. Woo! Even the tips, right? Look at the tip. You can smell that deliciousness, right, as you bite into it. But
they are nice and tender. But you know what I need? I need some hot sauce. I was the first one in the door. It's starting to get packed in here already.
turkey wings are the bomb. The grabbage, the collard greens, and the cabbage are delicious. He mixed them up for me. I'm really digging this tip. All right, I got to eat some of the main portion here. Turkey wings with that hot sauce, man. These are some delicious turkey wings. Very tender, y'all. I wish I could show y'all how easy that's coming off the bone. There, look at that. Look at that whole thing about that. You can just look at that. Falling off the bone. Delicious. My hands are greasy. I gotta drink some soda with that. I hear people ordering whiting fish. Man, I wanted to get some peach cobbler. I'm gonna have to come back for that. Let's try the cornbread. Look at that. See, it's got that brown bottom, got that nice brown top. Let's see. The cornbread's good. It's official. You can taste, I think it's meal. My grandmother used to put meal in it, right? I'm gonna put in a little of this turkey juice. You know, the cornbread is delicious. It tastes buttery. It's a little sweet. It don't taste like cake, man. I don't like it. Cornbread tastes like a piece of cake. Tastes like cornbread. Let's check out the macaroni and cheese again. Mix it all up.
Do you get bread with that? You get cornbread. Cornbread?
That's it, y'all. It's official. Mama's Barbecue here on Springfield Avenue in Vauxhall. We're about 2 miles up the hill from Newark, New Jersey, about 1 mile up from Irvington, New Jersey. In this area, man, I always got to think about my buddy, Reverend Ron, being so close to where he used to always be. That's it, man. Like, subscribe, hit the bell to be notified. It's Matt DV. Nobody told you they love you today. You hanging with the wrong people. I love you. Y'all have a good day. Peace.